Hi guys, we have this Kasuri Methi by the brand Tata Sampann. So in this video, I'm going to show you review of this pack and recipe of Methi Aloo. So this is a 25 gram pack, MRP is 32 rupees and the shelf life is 8 months. So these are naturally dried methis, which means they are dried up in sun, which will keep the taste intact. And it has a nice methi fragrance. They are crisp. Let's move on to the recipe. So in a heavy base pan, heat 2 tablespoons of oil, add chopped garlic cloves, cumin seeds, and then coriander powder and turmeric powder. Allow it to roast for 5 seconds. And here goes 250 gram cubed potatoes, kasuri methi. Give it a nice mix. Don't overdo kasuri methi. Just a handful of kasuri methi is enough for 250 gram potatoes. Now cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. And after 10 minutes, just add salt, dry mango powder, and finally red chili. Now toss it on high flame for 1 minute while stirring. You can make this delicious methi aloo even when methi is not in season. Apart from your regular methi aloo, you can also use this for making matris and even your sabzi. Kasuri methi fits in every dish. Overall, the pack is value for money. Clean, crisp and hygienically packed kasuri methi. Give it a try and subscribe for more. Bye-bye.